my channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrinmay and welcome to the 4th episode of my birthday series. Okay, so finally my birthday is very close and I need to start grooming myself. Now I am actually not the kind of person who likes to go to a salon to do a lot of things. I prefer doing all this grooming at home by myself. It makes me feel more comfortable and more attached to my own body. So that is exactly why I'm gonna take you guys along with me in this extreme grooming kind of session. So yeah, let's not waste any more time and let's just quickly get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my face. Now आप लोग देख सकते हो मेरे फेस पे ज्यादा बाल नहीं है. I do not have a lot of hair on my face, which is why I don't like to shave my face that often. Now I do it like twice or thrice in 3 to 4 months. That because I like to keep a little hair on my face because it retains all the moisture. When you completely remove the hair, all the moisture goes away and my face is literally super dry. So it becomes extra dry and I really don't like it. Which is exactly why I do not shave my face that often, and which is why I'm gonna directly move on to just washing it off. So I'm gonna normally wash my face off with a face wash, and here I'm using the Bella Vita Organic Oil Control Face Wash. Now I have used it a lot of times. I've used this face wash since like a month and it instantly brightens my face, like gives me a nice glow, which is something that I really love in my face washes. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand, just like I usually do with my other face wash as well. So this is how it looks. It has a beautiful black color, if you guys can see. All you have to do is wet your face a little, take the face wash in your palms, just rub it on, make a good lather out of it and apply it on your face like you do it normally.
The excess oil on the face is the primary reason for clogging of pores and acne or breakouts. This oil control face wash has amazing ingredients like aloe vera, vitamin C and neem, which takes away all the excess oil but still does not take away the moisture. This retails for just ₹199 and is easily available on Nykaa as well as Amazon.
So I have properly applied it on my face and it gives me this cooling minty effect that just, lightens up my mood. So now I'm gonna rinse it off with the normal water and then I'll see you guys. So I've come a little closer so you guys can see it better, and it has literally instantly refreshed my face and I cannot believe the result. Now I'm gonna scrub my face. So for the scrub, I'm using this super scrub from Bella Vita again, and this has absolutely been my favorite. You guys can see I have literally finished like more than half of it. Now the best thing about this scrub is that it has walnut extracts in it, and the scrubbing particles in fact are made of walnut. Now this literally has like a very chocolatey kind of smell to it and I just feel like eating it straight away. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, you guys can see, and I will apply it on my face usually like I apply my scrub, and then I'm just gonna start scrubbing it slowly.
The scrub retails for ₹299 and it removes all the dead skin cells as well as all the extra oil without taking away the moisture. It is also very gentle on your skin.
Now I'm also gonna apply it on my neck. You guys can see I have a slightly darker neck, so I'm just gonna scrub it.
It helps treat the dark areas and making the skin even and repairing all the damage.
Now the best thing about this scrub is that it does not dry out your skin completely, which is the best thing for people like me who have super dry skin. What scrubs normally do is that they just take away all the oil from your face and body and neck wherever you apply them, and they just make your skin super dry and flaky. But this scrub particularly has shea butter in it and cocoa butter as well, which just gives your skin a smooth effect even after scrubbing. So with the exfoliation, it also provides moisture to your skin, which is great. Now I'm gonna rinse it off with water so you guys can see how amazing my face looks, and it feels so soft. You guys can see, I guess, and if I could just make you feel my face, it's very soft and moisturized. So then I'm gonna move on to the mask. Now for mask, I'm using this mask from Kazima Cosmetics. It's their activated charcoal mask, and it's a clay mask, and you guys know my obsession with clay masks. And charcoal, I personally feel, is really great for your face and your body. So I'm just gonna apply it like this. Now you can also apply it with your fingers, but अभी मैं थोड़ा सा fancy feel करना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए I'm gonna apply it with a brush. once I'm done with the mask and I've rinsed it off with cold water, now I'm moving on to my lips. So for lips, I'm using this lip scrub from Bella Vita, and it has been my favorite since a year now, like half a year now, I guess. And I'm just gonna apply it on my lips like usual. Then I'm gonna scrub my lips for a minute.
Now make sure you're not applying too much pressure because otherwise you'll just bruise your lips.
Okay, so now once I've properly scrubbed my lips, I'm gonna rinse it off with water. Now usually after I've masked my face and scrubbed my lips, I'm used to moisturizing my face. But today I'm not gonna do that because I really want to shave my arms and legs, and then I'm gonna go take a shower. So it will be of no use if I moisturize my face and again remove it with water. So first I'm gonna shave my arms as well as my legs, and I will show you guys how I do it. I do not really have a particular way of doing it. If you guys have seen my waxing versus shaving video, you guys would know how exactly I do it. So I'm gonna take some aloe vera gel. इस तरह से थोड़ा ही लूंगी, ज़्यादा मैं नहीं लेने वाली हूँ. And I will just apply it on wherever the area that I want to shave. So इस तरह से I'll form a good lather, you guys can see. And then with the razor, I'm just going to shave it like this.
Now make sure you're not dry shaving because otherwise you'll just cut yourself.
Okay, you guys, so my arms and my legs feel super soft now, but it's not the end. I'm gonna exfoliate my arms as well as my legs with the same scrub that I told you before from Bella Vita, and it is an amazing scrub. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now, if you have strawberry arms and legs like me, then exfoliation is the best way to get rid of it.
This whole anti-tan and detan range from Bella Vita is super effective.
So I hope you guys can see I do have these strawberry legs, and I'm gonna show you how I get rid of this with exfoliation. So I have taken the scrub on my fingers and I'm just gonna scrub my legs thoroughly. You guys can clearly see the difference that exfoliation makes, and I no more have strawberry legs, which is something that I really love about exfoliating. Okay, so now like before actually taking a shower, I'd like to remove the nail polish that's on my nails. It's completely chipping off, and I'm gonna apply new one, so I'll have to remove this one. So the reason why I like to do this before is because अगर कोई nail paint का stain होगा भी मेरे nails पे, even after removing them with a nail paint remover, then the shower will take away all the stains, so it becomes very clear. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove the nail polish. Okay, so the nail polish, you guys can see, is completely off, and now I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll see you guys. Hello you guys, so I am back from a nice hot shower, and now I'm gonna paint my nails. You guys can see I've removed all of the nail paint before I go to the shower. Now I actually wanted to paint my nails pink, but then I remembered that my outfit for the birthday is not going to be pink, so I just changed my plan. So now I'm just gonna go with this beautiful powder blue color, and yeah, let's just paint our nails. Okay, so I know I did not wash my hair. That's because I like to do it on the previous day of my birthday. Now I have an extremely oily scalp, which is exactly why I have to wash my hair a day prior. Whereas about all the grooming part, I like to do it 2 to 3 days before, so that my skin gets a little time to settle into it. Now I don't use a lot of fancy products for my hair. I just go with normal coconut oil and just wash it off with an anti-dandruff shampoo, since I have a lot of dandruff. But you will definitely see some styling tips in my get ready with me video. And yeah, that's it for the video. If you guys liked it, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the little notification bell down there so that whenever I upload, you will get notified. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11, but that is the usual timing. Now since I'm doing a birthday series, I will be coming at your home for 7 days at 11 AM. If you haven't hopped on yet, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below. It's a playlist link Also, I will upload it in the iCard above. Follow me on all my social handles. I am super active on Instagram as well as Facebook. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay happy and stay home. Bye bye.